variables in Webflow let you store size, color, and font styles so you can reuse them for a consistent design experience. So when someone updates a variable value, that change will update everywhere it's used on the site. And they're available in a central location for more visibility into your site styles. So for example, if we click over here on the variables, you're going to be able to see that we already have a few different variables for the main brand colors. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to change the color of the variable so that you can see the power of variables. So say that we're experiencing a rebranding and we want to change the main brand color to this bluish slash purplish tint. I can simply go over here, change the value, and the entire website is going to update whenever that variable has been applied. So now that you've seen the power of variables, let's create a variable. So we're going to simply undo what we just did, and we're either going to click over here under new variable or on the top right. So let's do that, and we're going to create a new color, which we're going to name special. And this is going to be a particular color that we're going to utilize maybe in some specific instances in the website, and I can easily adjust the color. And now that we have this new variable, say that I want to apply this color to just this paragraph text and also these ones below. I can simply click on the paragraph in order to select it, and under the color, as you can see, the moment that I hover over this input field, you're going to see this small purple call to action, which I can click, and now I'm going to have access to all of the variables, including the special one which we just created. So the moment that I add this variable to different elements, you're going to notice that the moment that we actually change it in Webflow on the variables panel, this variable has now been updated. So very simple, very easy. Now variables are not limited to just colors. We can also create variables for sizes and font family. So say that I want to create a font family which is going to be brand font, and I'm going to simply add Merriweather as this brand font. I can go back and I can easily apply this brand font which we've just created to the typography section. So this is going to be extremely useful in order to maintain a level of brand consistency. I could make a variable for 20 pixels, which is going to be 20 pixels. Now you're not limited to just pixels. You can utilize all of the range of options available when it comes to spacing and sizing. But overall, what you can do is you can then utilize this 20 pixel whenever there is an option or an opportunity to basically utilize that specific variable. So you can start utilizing some specific variables for sizing so that you can keep the predefined sizes of most of the components and even things like margins and paddings extremely consistent throughout your website, as well as the typography and the colors. So variables are going to become an incredibly important part of your workflow. So my recommendation now is to take a moment, stop the video, and jump into Webflow and start exploring variables and start applying them so that you can master these as they will become second nature in no time for you.